How much is it?
I don't know, but it's got a really loud, annoying siren, so it must be good.
I thought I told you to leave that cell phone away.
Sorry, it's my mom. Alright, do it.
Alright. Ticking time bomb? Okay, we're not playing that game.
It's a shitty ass bomb.
We're at a Citrus County Carnival, man.
Could be worse, could be Inverness, where there's the carnival.
True. You want to get on the Ferris wheel?
We could go on the roller coaster. That is a lot louder. See? I mean, it just sounds like a good time.
Or a really bad one.
Up to you, whatever you want to do.
Let's go on the roller.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right.
I'm going to open the door.
Oh, how nice of you.
It's very quiet.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Get out of the door first before you
It got stuck in water, okay?
in water.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, we gotta put the bar down. Ready?
So cool.
Oh, that is. Oh my God! It's like suction to the seat. This is awesome. No, it's gonna be good. All right, ready?
I'm going to need you to rub something later.
That's not a sound you want to hear.
It's a really slow moving
Hands
roller.
and feet inside the ride at all times.
YOLO.
YOLO. Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Ah!
Get the microphone. What do you want from me?
I need to know the spring landing.
Okay, with it.
Okay, then.
Okay, so wait, is it over?
I think that was it. Alright, let me get out the squeaky door.
Wait, the seat.
Exit the ride.
They have those at the carnival too? Winner.
Oh, we're done. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, do you hear that?